Namaste, everyone. I'm Sandeep Raut, and I believe our homes should be havens of peace and prosperity. Just like we tidy up our belongings to invite joy, Feng Shui helps us arrange our spaces to welcome positive energy. Your front door is the mouth of Qi, the main entry point for all energy that flows into your life. So, if you're wondering why success feels blocked or opportunities just don't knock, your door might be sending the wrong signals. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple yet powerful Feng Shui tips to transform your entrance into a magnet for wealth, luck, and boundless opportunities. Remember, when your entrance flows, abundance grows. Are you ready to invite positive transformations? Let's begin. Imagine this. You're a positive energy wave, excited to bring abundance and joy. But as you approach a door, you find it blocked by shoes, bags, and old umbrellas. Does that spark joy? Not really. Just as we tidy our homes to eliminate what doesn't serve us, a clean and clutter-free entrance is crucial in Feng Shui. When your entrance is cluttered, it creates energetic blocks, hindering the flow of opportunities and prosperity. Take a moment to really see your entrance. Are there shoes scattered about? Is the doormat overflowing with dirt? These small things can make a big difference. Start by clearing away anything that doesn't belong there. Find designated spaces for shoes, bags, and coats. Make sure the area is well lit, as light attracts positive energy. Regularly sweep or vacuum the entrance, imagining you're sweeping away any stagnant energy. Remember, a clean and organized entrance sends a clear message to the universe. Welcome, abundance, I am ready for you. In Feng Shui, your front door represents your face to the world. It's the first impression your home makes. And just like a firm handshake, a strong, solid door conveys stability and security. Think of your door as a guardian, protecting your personal energy and inviting in positive Qi. A sturdy door, well-maintained and free of cracks or damages, symbolizes strength and protection. Avoid doors with too much glass or see-through panels, as they can weaken the energy boundary. If your door is old or damaged, consider replacing it with a new one that fills you with a sense of confidence and security. Choose a material that resonates with you and complements your home's style. Remember, a strong and beautiful door not only enhances the aesthetics of your home, but also acts as a powerful symbol of protection and good fortune. In the world of Feng Shui, colors are like energetic invitations, each carrying its own unique vibration. Red, for example, is a powerful color associated with good luck, prosperity, and protection. Consider incorporating touches of red at your entrance. This could be a beautiful red doormat, a vibrant red lantern, or even a simple red flower arrangement. Traditional Feng Shui symbols like the lucky cat or the three-legged toad can also be placed near the entrance to attract wealth and prosperity. However, the most important thing is to choose colors and symbols that spark joy and resonate with you. Trust your intuition and select elements that make you feel happy and uplifted. Remember, your entrance should reflect your unique energy and invite the blessings you wish to attract. Now imagine your entrance as a grand runway, welcoming opportunities and blessings into your life. Is this runway clear and inviting, or is it cluttered with obstacles? In Feng Shui, a clear and unobstructed path to your door is essential for allowing positive energy to flow freely. Walk from the street to your front door and take note of any obstacles along the way. Are there overgrown plants, garden tools, or bicycles blocking the path? Just like we declutter our homes to create a sense of spaciousness, clearing the path to our door allows opportunities to arrive effortlessly. Trim any overgrown plants, find designated storage for outdoor items, and ensure the walkway is well lit, especially at night. Remember, by creating a clear and inviting path, you are essentially rolling out the red carpet for abundance and good fortune to enter your life. In Feng Shui, the first thing you see upon entering your home sets the tone for the energy that flows within. It's like the opening scene of a movie, setting the stage for the story to unfold. What do you see when you step inside your door? Is it a blank wall, a cluttered coat rack, or something that sparks joy and uplifts your spirit? Consider placing something beautiful and meaningful in your entranceway. A favorite piece of art, a vase of fresh flowers, or a calming water fountain. This will not only create a welcoming ambience, but also infuse the entering energy with positivity and beauty. Remember, by consciously choosing what you see first, you are actively shaping the energy of your home and inviting in the blessings you wish to experience. So now you know your front door isn't just an entry point, it's a magnet for the energy you attract. Start with these 5 tips and you'll be amazed how your space and life feels more open and prosperous. Watch more Feng Shui tips by subscribing to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut. I share simple ways to shift your energy and invite more joy, wealth, and harmony into your life. Got a question about your entrance? Drop it in the comments. I reply to each one. Like, share, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next energy boost. When your entrance flows, abundance grows. I can't wait to see you in the next video.